tiff at the bar soon turns into a brawl. Males set up their territories and then sort out their dominance through combat. At first, they grapple rather warily to assess each other's strength. Then things start to get more serious still. Extra testosterone pumps up their aggression. A male giant is drawn into savage conflict. While he is fully occupied, another challenger arrives. But rival is not deterred. This sparring sorts out who's boss and tests the strength between contemporaries. His rival signals submission by keeping his head down. They have, after all, been harrying it for some time. In the chaos, the herd breaks up, and now it's easier to target an individual. But another arrives and tries to intervene, and gets biffed for his trouble. They stick to their original quarry, but it's got away. The rare